Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix the unable to connect to login servers error in Aion 2, so you can get back to playing. Now the process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting more time, let's jump right into it. Now, if you have to use a ping reducer like exit lag or any other software, there are specific settings you need to check first, because often in these types of software, they try to optimize the game connection but mess up the login server connection as well. So here's what to do. Open your exit lag on your dashboard, and on your connection tab, just simply click on Aion 2. Now what you do is look for a toggle option called Redirect Login. You make sure that that particular option is enabled. And once you flip the switch, just simply click on Reoptimize and it'll analyze the best path for you. Then all you have to do is hit Apply, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if that doesn't fix the issue, the next thing that you can do is manually reset your computer's network configuration. Now, we can do this by running a few simple commands. And first what you do is close the game completely and the launcher as well. So go to your taskbar and make sure the game is closed and the launcher as well. Now, once you've done that, go to your Start menu and search CMD and open this as an administrator. Now, simply write 5 simple commands. You can also find them in the description box below. First is ipconfig/flushdns. Paste that and enter. Then type the next one. So all you do is just simply paste all of them one by one, as you can see right over here. And once you have pasted all of them, which you can see right over here, all you have to do is just do a quick restart of your computer, and then the issue should most likely be fixed. Now, after the restart, if you're still facing some type of problem, that means your default internet phone book or your DNS is having trouble finding the Aion server. So we are going to switch to Google's public DNS. So what you do is right-click on the internet icon in the taskbar to open Network and Internet Settings. Then look for the option of Ethernet or Wi-Fi, depending on how you're using your internet. And then if you scroll down, you should be able to see DNS. Click on Edit over here, and enter the DNS exactly like you can see on the screen. Once you have done that, click on Save. Now that our network is fresh, we need to make sure the game launcher has full permissions. So make sure to close the purple launcher or whichever launcher you use completely. Then check your system tray over here and see if it is still running or not, and if there are any elements running, close them as well. Now, the next thing that you'll do is you have to find your purple launcher or whichever launcher you're using, then right-click on it, go to Properties, then Compatibility, and check this box, which is Run this program as an administrator. Then click on Apply. OK. And now this will ensure that the game isn't being blocked by any Windows permissions. Now all you have to do is launch the game from here, and you should be able to connect. And if you have any pending updates, also make sure to update that. So that's it. You now know multiple ways to fix the login server error and get back into your game. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.